Hello everyone and namaste. Welcome to my channel Cooking with Siri. My name is Siri. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like my video, share it, and you can comment it as well as don't forget to hit the bell icon. So today I'm going to make Lauki recipe, bottle gourd recipe. So let's start. So this is the ingredients. First is Lauki, bottle gourd. It is 300 gram, which is I cut it like this, and some oil and bay leaves and cinnamon stick, some mustard seeds and chopped tomatoes, chopped coriander, chili powder, chopped ginger, chopped garlic, chopped onion, salt, garam masala, cumin and coriander powder, and turmeric powder. So let's start. Here I am using a pressure cooker. So now I'm going to put 1.5 tablespoon of oil. So once the oil is hot, I'm going to add some mustard seeds and let it crackle. Okay, so it's crackled. Now I'm going to put bay leaf and cinnamon stick, as well as I'm going to put chopped onion. So stir it. Now I'm going to add chopped ginger, chopped garlic, and just saute for 30 to 40 seconds. Okay, so now I'm going to add all the dry masala, turmeric powder, half tablespoon, cumin and coriander powder, half tablespoon, the chili powder, half tablespoon, and salt, 1 teaspoon. Now I'm going to saute it for 30 seconds. Now I'm going to add tomato. Now let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes so that tomato will cook properly. Okay, it's been 3 minutes. Now you can see our tomato is cooked. It's gone soft. Now I'm going to add Lauki. Let it cook for another 2 minutes. Now I'm going to add 1/3 cup of water, not a lot, and I'm going to put the lid on and let the whistle come, 5 to 6 whistle. So we can check it now. Okay, so it's cooked. We can get rid of this. So it's time to serve. Here I got the bowl, so I'm going to serve it. Okay, so this is how it looks like. So you can put coriander. Okay, hope you enjoyed watching my video. Thank you for your time, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like my video, share it, and you can comment it as well. As well as don't forget to hit the bell icon. So see you next time. Bye bye.